Yes, we are the children of the ocean. We are the children of the land. Such generation of subversion. What we become now, a type of man. And next generation may be higher, but so much further from the truth. But look at the ocean, look at subversion, and look what we've stolen from the youth. Yes, we are the children of the ocean. We are the children of the land. Such generation, Lord, it was subversion. What we become now, what type of man? The next generation may be higher, but so much further from the truth. But look at the ocean, look at subversion, and look what we've stolen from the youth. But don't you listen to the beat in your heart. You better listen to the strong beat your star. Don't you give in when the end is coming near. Never listen to the hopelessness you hear. And just go, and just go, and just go, and just go. This is so lost, give me something. I get out of here. Yes, I got to get out of here. So won't you help me get out of here? I'm just so lost, give me something. I gotta get out of here. Yes, I got to get out of here. So won't you help me get out of here? You better give yourself a good shot. Lord, I'm coming. Shot. Lord, I'm running. Cause soon you won't have to question. I said soon you won't have any reason. I said soon you won't have direction. I said soon you won't know what to believe in. Just go, just go. See people just go, just go, just go. See people just go. Never listen to the hopelessness you hear. I'm just so lost, give me something. Tell me how to get out of here. got to get on up here. So won't you help me get out of here? I'm just a soul lost, give me something. Tell me how to get on up here. Yes, I got to get on up here. So won't you help me get out of here? Because soon you won't have to question. I say soon you won't have any reason. I say soon you won't have direction. I say soon you won't know what to believe in. So just go, just go. Say people, just go.